Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. I just want to know if Thieye DR.X Drone is strong enough to lift this 132 scale RC, and is it also strong enough to compare with Tello?
Alright. Uh-oh, he's lifting up. He can handle it. Okay. Now he can't. Alright, let's go ahead and lift it up. Go. Lift. We can go. Pull. Up. Up. Let me see if he's gonna help it. Uh-oh, he can. You can see lifting. Oh, it's gonna let him go. Alright. We can see. Oh! It's burly. You gotta get a power of it. It's going. It's going. Alright, come on, let's go up. Is he powerful enough to pull? Or no? Is he powerful enough to pull? Ah, come on! This thing is just so slow. Which one's gonna win? RC? Oh, it's gonna. Come on! Come on, buddy, pull! Pull! Oh! Failed! There you go! There you go! You're gonna go. Oh! Take off. Take off.